Halo John.
Hai.
Oke, gimana kabarnya?
Okay.
Oke ya. Oke. Nah,
You kasih. My book is in my bag.
kenapa John?
Enggak.
Enggak. Oke. Masih yang tentang fashion John di sekolah?
Bukan.
Kemarin kita
Tunggu.
sempat fashion ya.
Nanti mamaku kasih.
Oke.
The I don't know. Give me. Wait, yeah. What?
Okay, what chapter already?
Listen.
Ya udah, I foto all.
Tapi I learningnya kayak gini. Yang kayak gini.
Okay. On the 11, right?
Yeah. That's one that I learned. Not yet. Probably.
It's about
Fractions suck. Fractions are bad, you know. They're so bad.
Gimana tadi sekolah John? Ada pelajaran apa aja?
Fraction.
Oh, fashion. Oke. Math-nya berarti hari Senin ya di sekolah?
Apa?
Math-nya hari Senin aja di sekolah atau hari apa?
Bukan. Hari Senin, wait, I'm gonna check my schedule. Wait a second.
Oke.
My mom sent the mastery already. Besok I play basketball. Not basketball. Baseball. Na 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 na. I have math on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh, in Monday,
Wednesday and Friday.
Wednesday, and Friday. Oke.
Wait. Yeah. Poo poo.
So many ya John ya?
Yeah,
Oke.
but I don't like it
Why John?
because it's hard, annoying, and so long to do.
If you uh, understand it every day, you will feel it is easy, John. Yeah. Mm.
Well, it's hard. I'm playing game.
It's
Mommy.
easy if you more practice, John.
Yeah, but it's
Mm.
still hard.
Yes. Okay. Oh, udah dikirim ya? Bentar. Oh iya, ini masih fraction. Bentar. Wait ya, John. I will aku back to PDF dulu ya.
Okay.
Oke.
Well, sekian.
Oke. Bentar ya.
Okay.
Oke, John.
Um,
Do
Uh,
you
my mom.
suaraku
Are you done?
Oke. I'm done, John. Sudah muncul?
Yeah.
Oke ya. John udah nulis ya? Ini beberapa ya? Beberapa bagian
Ya.
activity-nya. Sampai ini ya. Oke. How about this practice? Are you apa? John ngisinya sendiri? Yang ini?
Ya.
Oke. How about number 3?
Number 3?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I did it myself.
Oke.
I'm joking.
In number 3, this is a swimming class has 50 students. Ya.
Yeah.
Mm. Nah, and then 2/5 of them are girl. How many of them are boys? Ya. Oke. Jadi aku iniin ya. Aku tambahin page. Oke. Oke. How many total student, John, in number 3? Total.
This is easy. You know, I can do it easier. You know, I already wrote that, right? You can see the box that I made.
Yeah.
It has 5. Okay.
Okay.
Each of them presents 10. Okay. I wrote 2 of the boxes are girls. 3 of the boxes are boys.
Yes.
So it will be 30 boys. Because
Yes.
this is 2/5, so that means 2 out of 5.
Okay. How about if I coba kalau misalkan total student 60. And then the woman 60.
Can you wash my hands?
The girl ya. The girl.
Can I go wash my hands?
Boleh. I'll be waiting, John.
Oh my God. I'm back.
Okay. How about total student is 60, and then the girl fraction is 2/3. How much all boys, John? How can you uh find the answer?
Um, what
I
I what I
Okay.
did. User. Wait. Total student. Why is
Total
it?
student.
Why is it 60? I thought it was 50.
Aku ubah soalnya, John. Gimana kalau 16?
Okay. Let me just. Yeah, but you made it 2 out of 3. 2 from 3. I don't know.
Okay.
Um,
Total student is 60. The girl fraction is 2/3, yeah. How to find the so if girl fraction is 2/3, how about boys fraction?
1 out of 3.
Yes, right. Boys fraction is
1 out of 3.
one 1/3, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, how much all boys? Step one. Step one, you can divide 60 divide by 3, John. Yeah.
3.
Mhm.
That's
Mhm.
easy. That
First,
would be 57.
no.
You said minus 3.
Oh, divided. Divided by
Oh,
3.
okay,
Mhm.
let me do my math. 20.
20, betul. So this is 20. Next 60 divided by 3 is 20, yeah. Now
Yeah.
step 2. Step 2, multiply by the top of fraction. Yeah. So 20 multiply by 2, yeah. By 2. So this is equal to
Equal to. Uh, wait.
is mm,
So
uh
2 times. 2 times.
multiplies by 1, sorry. Multiplies by 1.
Uh,
We want to got boys
1.
boys. 20 multiply by 1. By 1.
13.
Mm,
10, 10, 10.
if
Yeah,
we
I don't know. I
multiply
don't know.
by 1,
Yeah.
tetap
It'll be
ya.
20. There's no
Yes.
use.
This is will be 20. So the answer is 20 boys. Itu ya. Okay. So the girl is 40, 40, and the boys is 20.
And
Yeah.
but in my class, there's more boys than girls.
Mhm. Oh, ya ini, only example ya, Jan, ya?
Yeah.
So, this is many girl in that class, ya, gitu. What the total?
Total 40, I mean 60. Yeah.
60, 60, 60 students gitu ya. Oke?
Yep.
Gitu. Ya. Oke, again, total student is, mmm,
Ayun,
80.
par.
Boys fraction boys fraction is, uh, 3/4.
3/4.
Yes, 3/4, yeah. And then how much? How penghapus? How
How much?
much
What?
girls?
Boys?
Hmm. Boys fraction is 3/4. How much girl in that class?
3, 4. 3, 4. Since it's 3, 4, and there's 80 students. So in my calculations, there is 50 boys.
50 boys? No.
I meant girls. My bad.
Oh, no. You can do it with my example.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
I got no papers. It's okay. I'll do it with my brain.
You can take paper.
Okay.
Okay. It's hard to save it into the brain, John.
Mm. Um, Huh? Is it 20?
Yes, right.
How is it 20?
Okay. First, if boys fraction is 3/4, John, how about girls fraction? Fraction. Is it?
I don't know.
3/4. Girl fraction itu sisanya
Oh, that's
berarti ya?
easy. That's easy. Let me cook.
Oke.
So if 20 six, one. I got it. Is it two, 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 4?
2/4 is no.
I thought it
If
was 2, 4. Or maybe in my calculations.
okay. If it 3/4 in boys, you can imagine it like 4.
Wait, I understand. I
Mm.
understand. Wait.
So
So
the
can I
girls
make
fraction.
sisters 4? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah blah. 1, 4. So what's the girl's fraction?
Okay. The blue is blue. The blue is boys, John. The red is girl. So, what is the fraction of the girl? Is 1
Yeah.
over
1 over 4.
all the yes. So the girl fraction is 1/4, John.
Wait,
Yeah.
but in my calculations, I already did that calculations because in my theory, I did like I had to write because the boys fraction says 3.4. I mean 3 from 4. And then for the girls fraction, I always have to write like for the steps to make the answer, I have to write 1 out of 4. So that means I'm already right.
Okay.
Na, 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 na.
So the girl fraction is 1 uh from 4. How much girl in that class? Uh, we can we can find the girls
Uh,
by step 1 is
one more bako.
mhm, total students. Total student.
Give me more questions. These questions are too easy.
Mhm, 18
80
80 divided by
by 3, 4.
4. 80 divided by 4.
I know
Or
it's 20.
hmm,
The answer is 20.
80 divided by 4 is
20.
20. Oke. Ini ya. And then step 2. The answer that you get 20 divide the multiply by ini ya
1.
1 ya multiply by 1. So this is will be 20 students. 20 girls ya. Girls. Gitu. So the answer is 20 girls. Gitu John ya. Oke. Oke ya. Oke,
Give me
how about
give me a harder
hmm,
question.
oke. Hmm, this is okay. Total students is 90, and
Okay,
then
easy.
girls fraction is mm, to
100, 200.
fifth. No, to fifth, yeah. And
Okay,
then
okay, let's try.
how much boys?
Okay, this is hard a little bit. Okay, so first make the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Then right. 1, 2. Stop. In my calculations, I don't know the answer yet. Whoa, what?
First, you find boys fraction.
Wait, I know this. I know this. I know it. Ah! Wait a second. Wait. Ah, all right. Okay. Let's try that. 1, 2, 2 times. Dun, da-da-na-na-na, da-da-na-na-na, da-da-na-na-na-na-na-na, dun, da-da-na, dun, da-da-na, dun, dun. She's the one that I got. Dun, da-da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ah, wait a second. So, in my calculations, the answer will be 18.
18.
Yeah, I think I'm wrong.
18 ini?
Yeah, you're right.
Hmm,
I'm wrong.
okay. uh,
Okay, I just want your honest opinion. Am I wrong or no?
no, you just apa? Forgot one step.
What? Let,
18
let me
is
let me retry,
hmm,
please.
okay.
Let me retry, please.
You have not to multiply 18 by
I thought
the
it was
boys
multiplied by 1.
no, boys fraction not one not 1/5,
Oh!
but
Oh my god, I'm tripping, bro. Wait. I don't have an eraser. So, oh, I get it now. See, I'm so smart. Since it's 2, then two, 36.
Mm,
The boy,
36 is for girl, not for boys. The girls
the
is
what is the boy?
girls.
Oh, wait. I got this. I got this. Oh, it's 3, right?
Yes, 3.
Yeah. Okay. Let me think. Uh, 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 uh. So it's 32. 32 plus 18 is 54.
Hmm? 50?
54.
54. Yeah.
Ah!
Cool. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, see,
That's cool, John.
I knew, I did it.
Okay. So the
Finally,
boys is how much? For 50 for
54.
boys.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Okay. How much girl? Tadi ya, 2
Oh,
over 5,
36.
36 girl. Yeah. How you can total this 50 for boys and then 36 girl. So if
I don't
you
need to.
add them,
I
mhm,
don't need to.
how much if
Okay,
then
that's so
added?
easy. I could just use a calculator.
Hmm?
Plus, in my calculations, that would be 90.
90 students, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
This is why the total student is will be equal to all boys
Give
and
me
girls.
more harder questions.
Okay. How about if I write this total students?
Okay,
Students
all right.
mm, is 100, 100, 60, and then the boys fraction is 3 over mm, 3 over 5. Yeah. No, no. Wait. Mm,
Oh, I'm gonna just wait. Just the one
Wait,
that I
wait.
got. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Boys fraction is 7 uh
Na, 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 na,
15. And then how much boys? And then how much girl? Okay, John, I'm done. You can write find the answer of how much boys and
Go!
how much girl.
Okay, so easy. Wait, why you write how much boys?
Hmm?
I don't want to
Uh
do both.
you can find boys like before. How
I'm
much
too
boys and then
lazy.
how much
I'm too lazy.
don't
God.
worry. You can find it.
It's gonna be a long day.
No long John. It's easy.
Okay, so first step
Mm.
with that with just the one that I got. This and
Do you singing memories, John?
yeah, of course.
Mm. I like it. Do you like
Me
this song?
too. I like it. And sometimes. Wait, let me count. Okay, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh man. Um. And the times that I remember. Oh my god! Wait. Shoot. I need physical therapy. Okay, I understand it now.
Mhm.
I am done.
Okay.
I think I'm the smartest boy alive.
Well, that's cool, John.
Okay,
Okay, so
so my
what's your
answer is
answer?
84 girls,
Mm-mm.
and for boys, I forgot to count. Um, wait, wait. Let me cook. Wait, I just need a simple calculation.
Okay.
Look, like, give me 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done. The answer for the boys is 96.
96. And then
Yeah,
for girl,
it's 84.
84. Okay, John. Uh, sedikit, a little,
Yeah, I
apa
can
ya?
see that. Wait, no, wait. No, it's right. No, I'm correct. Look, because if you match 4 with 6 will be 10. You leave the 10 on the side, plus 80 and 90. That would be 140. 140, and then add in the 10 again. And then boom, you got 180.
Hmm.
Wait, wait.
Uh,
Oh, never mind. That's
ya
the
ini
opposite.
sebenarnya terbalik ya, John ya. For boys is 84, and then
I
for girls
forgot.
is
I
96.
forgot which one I was counting.
Yeah, don't worry, John. It's a little bit of human apa sedikit kesalahan ya, John ya, gitu.
At least I did it.
Oke. Uh, okay. So the for boys is 84 students, and then for girl is 96. Yeah. If you if boys fraction is 715, so for girl is girl fraction.
I knew it. I know it. I know it. It's what the frick? Um, it's oh wait, I gotta count. Wait a second. It's 8. 8,
8.
8 out of 15.
Hmm.
See, I'm
Uh,
the
okay.
smartest boy alive.
Okay. You're all right. Yeah. Uh, you're all right. And then if you uh adding these boys and girl, so you can get the total is 84 plus 96. How much is it?
Tada! Remember? What?
84, and you added
180.
betul 180 ya gitu. Oke.
Yeah.
Oke
Give me
ya.
harder questions. This is so easy.
Hmm.
Give me a total of
Uh,
thousands. I'm joking.
really?
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Hmm?
Uh, give me.
Are you
Wait.
religion?
Yeah.
Oke.
Okay. Before we start this one, can I go to the toilet?
Oke, John.
Oh. 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 oh, 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 oh. Hello.
Hello, John.
Okay,
Okay, ya.
let's get back to work.
Okay. Uh, practice again or learn?
You can decide.
Okay. Okay, one more again ya, John ya. One more again.
Yeah.
If total student
Yeah.
is two 210,
Yeah.
and then the boys fraction
Yeah.
is 8 or over 15. How much boys and then how much girl? Okay.
Um. Oh my God, that's so ugly. Oh my. Oh my God. Yeah, but then like, did you really have to catch for yourself? No, no, no. Yeah. Okay, I have to write that.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, no, 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 da-na-na. So first we make a simple box. Frickety zigzag. It's not big enough. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Baru pas. Oh my God. And then put like 1 team there. Wait. Just gotta. Boys. Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. I don't know. Six. Oh my God. Uh, mm, that's surprising. I Wait a second. Six, seven, six, seven. All right. So this is not good. Ooh, that hit me good. 14, 15. Cool. Ah! Mommy, you gotta go in 30 minutes, you know. Mommy doesn't really need to cook the food. Only need to cook the patty and then it's done. And then just get the ingredients and chop, chop, chop. Yeah, chop onion, chop the veggie, but the cheese, I don't know. What the heck? Oh my god. What's this? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm trying to do calculating. Um, anyways. I'm Peppa Pig. Oh. Ah! Yo, I think I'm done. Hello.
Sudah aja?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. How much for boys?
For the boy.
Hmm?
The boy is 84. For the girl,
84 and then
126.
100. 36.
No,
Okay.
26.
26.
Yeah. And
Uh,
if it's like swapped, I will cry.
the answer is right, John.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mm,
See, I did all the calculations right. There's no
it's,
scribbles
mm,
except for one. Yes.
okay. So the from for boys is 84 and for girls is 126. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you add them 84 add
It will be
126
210.
210. Yeah. So the total is 210 students. Yeah. Okay. It's same like the question the total student is 210. Okay, yeah. Do you have a question, John?
No.
Okay, yeah. So this is for number 3. Yeah. Okay. Now we go to learn equivalent fraction. Yeah.
This is the hard
Equivalent.
one. I hate this one.
Okay. Uh First you can look at the circles, John. Yeah. You can yeah. You can imagine just like pizza. Yeah. Mm.
Uh,
Uh
you were.
what the fraction of this?
Oh, that's
Mm,
so easy.
One, one.
Yeah.
Mm?
Oh, 1, 4.
Yes, 1/4. Okay, yeah. And then this one,
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in my calculations, it's actually 2, 4. I mean 8. I mean yeah. Yeah.
2/8. Yeah, John, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 2/8. So mm, are they are same 1/4 and 2/8?
I'm gonna be done in 1 hour.
This is same, John. Yeah. So
Yeah.
like this, if I imagine if you have full of pizza, full circle of pizza. Yeah. You can divide it into two part.
I can.
Yes, you can divide it into two part. But this is too uh ini kan terlalu gede ya kalau kamu bagiin ke satu orang ya. Uh,
Yeah.
So you can divide it into four part.
I think that slice of pizza is too big, so you need to divide it again.
Mm-mm. You can divide it again. Apakah
No,
jadi lebih eh pizzanya tetap satu utuh atau malah jadi double jadinya?
double. Why would you eat a pizza that big? Like
Mm.
that's so big.
Mm-mm. You can divide it
Smaller.
into six part. You can
Yeah.
mm.
The other side.
into
Yeah.
You can divide it into
That's
how many part?
perfect.
How many part? Yes.
1, 2, 3,
Mm.
4, 8.
Yes, you can divide it into 8 parts. Yeah, you can divide it again into the small part. You can like this. You can, John.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes, you.
but you only eat that type of pizza if you want to get skinny.
Yes, yeah. But if you see this, what you can apa ya? Hmm, this is
A big bag.
mm, ini how many part that I coloring?
1, 2,
What the
3,
fraction?
4. Oh,
4
sorry.
4 over how much?
Wait a second. Yeah.
Mm-mm. How many
Four
part?
out
4.
of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16.
Yes, 60 parts. Okay. 4 over 60 part. But you can ini si garis-garisnya boleh kamu hapus ya. Ini ya.
Yeah.
Ini garis-garisnya boleh kamu hapus. Yes. So, tadi aku coloring these parts ya.
Okay.
Now, what the part we can write? The fraction
1, 4.
1 over 4. So 4 over 16 is equal to a quarter ya. 1 over 4 gitu John. Okay?
Okay.
So this is why 4 over 16 is equal to 1 over 4 ya. Gitu. You can divide it how many you can ya. But this is the same apa ya? Ukurannya tetap sama ya. Gitu. Tetap seperempat gitu. So if you divide it into 8 part,
Can we have French fries?
Hmm?
Can we have
it will be how much the fraction?
1, 2, 3,
2
4.
over
2 out of 8.
8. Yeah. It is it same like 1 over 4? Kalau kita hilangin rongga-rongganya tadi,
No.
kalau kita hilangin this is same ya. Kita cuma ngilangin si rongganya aja. Tetap 1/4 John. 1/4 gitu ya.
That's
Jadi kayak kita
crazy.
kayak masang kita cuman masang apa rongga aja sebenarnya di situ ya. But in this part equal to 1 over 4 atau 1/4 John gitu ya. Oke? So 2 over 8 is equal to 1/4. Ya John ya?
Yeah.
Oke. So this is same ya. Oke. So if you look at the circle, 1 over 4, yeah, 1/4 is same size as 2/4, 2/8, yeah, gitu. So 1 over 1/4 and 2/8 is equivalent fraction. Ya. Oke. This is equal fraction ya. John. 1/4 and 2/8 gitu. Now, look at the bars ya. Look at the bars. 1/5 ya. 1/5 and 2/10 are equivalent fraction. Ya, gitu. Why? If you look this, John, ya, 1/5 covers the same area as 2/10. Ya, oke. This is the same apa ya? The same ukurannya tetap sama ya. The area is same. Oke?
Okay.
The area are same gitu. Oke. Oke. This is you can see fraction wall ya. Okay. The question, which fraction from the fraction wall are equivalent to a half ya. Equivalent to a half. You can see you can see, John, the fraction wall shows different fraction ya. Look at a half bar ya. The first yellow yang ini, John. You can see the 1/2 bar in this wall. Hello, John.
Hello.
Oke. Batang kuning yang pertama kamu ngelihat yang warna the yellow?
Of course.
The yellow first. Oke. Nah,
No.
if you
No.
ini ya. Jadi kalau kamu punya ini, kalau aku gambarin gini ya. You can divide it into two parts. Ini aku bagi dua bagian ya. Ini misalkan set gitu. So I will draw the left one ya. So the left one will be how the fraction of ini yang left one. It will be 1 second ya, John ya. Okay. This is will be 1 second. Yeah. And then if I write again, can I divide it into 3 parts, John? This bar,
Yeah.
this big bar. Yes, I can divide it into 3 parts. Yeah. Okay. 3 box. Yeah. I can divide it into 3 box. So that I call it in one part. I can write gimana, John, berarti? Aku bisa tulis fraction-nya apa berarti? Yang bawah? 1/4?
1/4.
No 4. Only bawahnya doang. Yang bawahnya doang.
Oh, 1/3.
Yes, 1/3. Yeah. I can can I divide it into 4 part now? Into 4 part. Then?
Yeah.
I can divide it into 4 parts. Yeah. If I ini aku warnain yang bagian left 2, maka aku tulis gimana berarti, John? Fraction-nya. How the fraction of this?
I don't know.
Mhm. The fraction of this are
2 out of 4.
2/4. Yeah. Okay. Now, can I divide it into 6 parts? Into 6 parts? Can?
Yeah.
You can divide it into how many part you want ya?
1, 2, 3,
Gitu.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, 6 ya? Ini 6. This is 6 parts. If I
6.
3/6 ya. Okay, what is the same? Mana aja yang sama? Yang sama. Areanya yang sama. Area yang sama apa aja di situ?
Um,
1/2.
yeah.
And then
1 over 2. 1 over 3. 2 over 4. Uh, 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 3 from 6. Boom, papa. Ching, tering.
Oke. Sebenarnya ada yang nggak sama, John. Kalau kamu lihat. Ada area yang nggak sama.
Here.
What is it?
What?
Ada yang nggak sama di sini? Satu
Oh.
tembok.
Ada.
What is it?
I don't know.
If you look at 1/3, this is not same. Like 2/4 and 3/6. The 1/3 is not same. Ya, John ya. Okay.
Okay.
So a half and 2/4 and then 3/6 it is same ya, but not same like 1/3 gitu ya. This is a whole fraction ya gitu. Oke. Okay. A fraction that what fraction that equivalent to 1/2, John?
What?
Dari sini from whole fraction apa aja berarti yang sama? Karena ada yang nggak sama, John.
There is 1, 2.
2/2.
Wait, let me see. I can't see. 2/4.
2/4 and then
And 2/, and then 3/6.
3/6 and then
4/8.
yes, 4/8 and then
5/10.
5/10. Yeah. Okay. So the conclusion is 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10 is equal to
That.
1/2. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
They are all equivalent to 1/2 or a half ya. Gitu. Oke. 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 Ya. You can write 1/2, 2/4, 3/5, 2/6, 4/8, and then 5/10. Ya. Oke. This is so that apa? 1/2, a half is base fraction, John. Ya. We can get the other fraction ini 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10 by multiply the the base fraction gitu ya. Multiply the top number and the bottom number by the same number gitu, John ya. Oke. Example.
2,
Yeah.
3, 4. You got Billy Gold.
Okay. Example from to get 2/4 from 1/2. You John multiply by what number? Ini
Form. I mean from.
from ini ya. From 1/2
Yeah.
we multiply by what? So we can get 2/4 if you see.
Okay. You.
1/2.
Oh. Sayangku. Sayangku.
Mhm. Multiply by what number?
Multiply.
So you can get 2/4.
Uh,
Multiply by the top number.
one. 1/2.
Yes, 1 multiply by what? So it will be 2. We'll multiply by 2. Ya, John ya. Okay. And then 2 multiply by what? So it will be 4.
What?
Hmm?
What happened?
2 multiply by what? So it will be 4.
2. I mean.
Yes. 2 multiply by 2. So we can get 4. Itu ya. Okay. So we can get the other fraction by multiply by the top number and the bottom number, yeah, by the same number. What is the same number in this di kasus ini? In this case, the same number is
Itu tomat, Mami.
the same number is 2, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Okay. Nih ya. So you can multiply it by 2, ya. Okay. And then how can we get 3/6?
I don't know.
You can multiply it again, John. Yeah. If you see, we multiply by 3 on top and we multiply by 3 on bottom, so we can get 3/6 gitu, John. Okay?
Okay.
And then ini juga sama. We multiply by what? So we can get 4/8, John.
2.
No. 1 we multiply by what? So it will be 4. 2 multiply by what? So it will be 8.
I don't know.
1 multiply by 4. So it will be 4. Okay, John?
So what's
We
the
multi-
difference? What's the difference?
Apa? The difference is apa ya? Sebenarnya bentuknya itu berubah, John, tapi nilainya nggak berubah, gitu ya. Oke? Oke. Bentuknya aja yang berubah, tapi the value is not the value is will be same, ya. Oke? So the form is difference, and the value it will be same. Okay, John?
Okay.
bentuknya berbeda tapi nilainya tetap sama gitu ya. You can from 1/2 you can divide it into 4 and then the bottom you can multiply it by 4 ya. So you can get 1 times 4 is 4 ya. 4
Yeah.
and then 2 times 4 is
2 times 4 is 8.
8 ya. So 4/8 is equal to ini ya. The base is 1/2 gitu ya. Oke?
Okay.
Gitu. 1/2 you can multiply it by 5 5 ya. You can multiply it by 5, by 6, by 100. You can also ya gitu. Oke. Gitu ya. Okay, John, this is for page 7 and then we continue ya. Okay. Nih ya. You can also find equivalent fraction by multiply or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number ya. Oke. Oke. Example 2/3, John. Ya. 2/3. What is the equal fraction from 2/3?
I don't really know.
Okay. But you can multiply the top and bottom by the same number, John. Like
Okay.
multiply it by what example?
Uh, 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 uh.
Try multiply the top by 2 and then the bottom you multiply it by 2. So you can get if multiply by 2 in top and bottom.
Yeah.
What you can get if you multiply it by 2 in top and bottom. This is 2/3.
Yeah.
What you can get if you multiply it by 2 on top and bottom.
Two. That's easily 4. The other
4
one's a 6.
over 6 gitu ya. You can multiply it by what? Again, selain 2, selain 2.
Okay. Give me 2 tomatoes. I thought you just give me one. Give me one. Yeah. That's 2, so 4 and 6 again.
Selain 2, you can
Yeah.
multiply it by multiply by 4 example.
Okay.
What you can get?
It'll be 6.
No,
We know 8.
8
I want to put the order. Oh.
and then 3 times 4.
3 times 4 is
4 times 3.
12.
12. Okay, yeah. So 2/3 is equal 4/6. 2/3 equal 4/6 and then 8/12 ya. Gitu. Oke? You can ingat ya John ya. Don't only top that you multiply. Jangan cuma yang di atas doang ya yang kamu
Yep.
kali.
Okay.
But in bottom too, you can you must multiply it ya. Gitu. Jadi yang bawah juga kamu harus multiply by number gitu. Oke? Oke, John? Ini harus
Ya.
sama ya.
Oke.
Kalau yang atas kali 2, yang bawah harus dikali 2 juga. Jangan dikali 3 tiba-tiba ya.
Hah?
Hmm.
Can I have some sauce with that too?
Kenapa?
Nothing.
Oke. Gitu ya, Jen ya?
Yeah.
Oke.
I want some mayo and ketchup. Can you help
Oke.
me with the other one that I didn't do?
Yang ini yang belum diisi maksudnya?
Yeah. Benar.
Oke. Oke. The question, write the equivalent fraction from the fraction wall. Ya. Oke. You can see the fraction wall before. Ini ya. Aku screenshot dulu.
Benar. Please. Please. Please.
Ini kelihatan ya fraction wall-nya?
Yeah.
Oke. Okay. Write the equivalent fraction from the fraction, John. From the fraction. 1/4.
1/4.
From
1
fraction
over 4
wall.
is
Ini ya 1/4.
yeah.
This is same like
What?
kalau di ini ditaruh set. What equal? Atau langsung aja 1/4. You can multiply the top and bottom by the number. Example, what number?
4. Sorry, 4.
Too big, John.
2.
2, okay. If multiply by 2, you can get 2/8. 8, right? Yeah, okay. Only multiply by 2.
4.
If 3, you can?
I don't know. Can you?
Yes, you can, John. Yeah, you can multiply it wherever you want. Yeah, okay. What number you want, you can multiply it, but
Yeah,
you must multiply it.
You won't understand.
But you must multiply it in top and bottom number too. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you can get if you multiply it by 3?
I will get 3 and
3/4.
I will get 12.
12 gitu ya. So what the conclusion? 1/4 is same like ini yang udah kita dapat that we
2
can
and 8.
2/8 and then 1 again. Yang udah kita dapat barusan 3/.
Yeah.
1/4 it's same like 2/8 and then
Yeah.
the last one
3
over
3 over
ini yang dikali 3 dapat berapa?
Wow.
12 ya. Gitu.
Okay, so again, my bad. Can I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can. I'll be waiting, John.
Ooh, onion. I thought the onion was supposed to be fried.
Oh, I put the onion, yeah.
I'm here.
Okay. So the answer, yeah, the answer is uh 2/8 and 3/12. Yeah. Okay. 2/8
Okay.
and then 3/12.
Okay.
Yeah. How we can get 2/8 before?
Um. Oh, by multiplying.
Multiply what?
2.
Yes. Multiply 2 in top and bottom fraction. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. How we can get 3/12?
3/12. That's so easy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
From we multiply by
Multiply by 3.
yes, multiply by 3 in top fraction and bottom fraction. Gitu ya. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can do it in 1/5, John. Like before.
Okay, that's easy.
You can
Oh,
write in your
there'll be.
paper. Hmm?
It's okay if I just say the answer. I know it.
Okay. It is 2/,
2/10.
and then
3/15.
yes. You can continue into how many you want, yeah. You can continue 4/, berarti 4/20 ya John ya. Oke. Gitu. You multiply it by 4 and then the bottom you multiply it by 4. Ya. Oke.
Yeah.
Oke.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Super.
Ini yang masih ada yang kosong ya. Yang nomor 2 ya. Number 2. Oke. Which fraction number 2 ya. Which fraction from the fraction wall is equivalent to? Ya. Oke. Oh, we must simplify in number 2. Ya. Oke. Before we multiply ya John ya.
Yeah.
Multiply it by the same number. But in number 2, we divide it to same number. Ya. Oke.
Yeah.
Same number. Oke. Example. Ini yang kamu udah tulis ya. 6/10 ya. 6/10.
I don't think it could fit.
Hmm? You
Nothing.
can divide it into
Into
what number?
um.
Ini nggak bisa asal-asalan ya. Misalkan
Yeah.
3 atau 4. Kalau before you can do it, but in divided, kamu nggak bisa lakukan itu seenaknya, berarti ya?
Just leave
Mm-mm.
it here.
Karena berantakan.
I know.
No, no, cannot leave here. They don't want to use.
Wait.
They use. I bring it.
Okay.
You can divide it into the small number is 2. If you
Oh
can
my
divide it
God.
into 2, you can divide it into 3. If
Yeah.
not divide, if you cannot divide it into 3, you can divide it into 5. And dan seterusnya sampai 7, 11, and jadi kamu John boleh coba dari yang terkecil yaitu 2 ya. Oke? Oke. Mulai dari 2
Alright.
John.
Okay.
Divide by 2 can?
Can I think?
Can, yeah. So, what the answer? What you get?
Wait. Let me think. You get times 2 is wait, divide by 2. 3.
Mm-mm.
3. Yeah, 3.
Yeah, 3, and then the bottom?
The bottom will be 5.
Yes. So, 6/10 is equal to 3/5. Yeah. This is why your answer is 3/5. Okay? Gitu ya. Oke, and then ini yang E-nya belum ya?
Mami,
Oke,
tolong.
mm-mm.
Nothing.
Oke, ini 2/6. You can divide it into what number? Divide it into
How to do this?
like before. First, kamu coba, you can try to divide it into 2. Or you can divide it into 3
Not
if
this.
you can, ya. Or you can divide it into 5,
Over there.
into 7.
Come on. I think it's
First, you
supposed
can divide it into 2. Can?
a little bit more.
If divided by 2.
Okay. There you go.
Mm-mm.
What one? No,
Falling down.
my Krabby Patty. Sucks. No pickles. It's the top patty. Let's go.
First, you can divide it into 2, John. What you can get, berarti?
That means I can get 1 and 3.
Yes, 1 and 3 gitu ya. So the answer is 1/3 gitu. Okay? And then 8/10. Ya. Divide both number by what? Berarti John.
What?
8/10. Divide both divide both 8 and 10 by what the first number you can do?
2.
2, ya. Okay. Kalau bisa 2, if you can divide it into 2, divide it into 2 ya.
Yeah.
Okay? So what you can get?
I can get 4 and
4
5.
and 5 ya. So 8/10 is equal to 4/5 ya. Oke?
No.
Gitu. Jadi 8/10 is equal to 4/5 gitu. Oke. Oke. Write one equivalent fraction to the fraction below. 2/3, 4/6. Betul ya?
Yeah.
I think this is a little wrong. 3/4 is not equal 3/8. Ya. You can
Oh, I know.
Mm-mm.
6/8.
6/8 ya. Betul, John. Jadi kamu bisa benerin ya nanti ya. Ini harusnya 6 ya. Oke?
Mm.
Jadi ini harusnya
Ya.
6/8. Oke. And then number C, 4/16 is equal to, yes, this is alright. But you can simplify it again, John. 2/8. You can divide it again?
No.
Mm,
I mean, yeah.
yes, you can
But only
divide
one
it
time.
again. Divide both number, you can divide it into what number berarti? Pembaginya dibagi berapa berarti?
2.
Betul, 2 ya. So you can get
1 and 4.
1 and 4 ya. So 4/16 is equal to 1/4 ya, John ya. Oke? Gitu. Kamu bisa benerin ya. Sebenarnya ini benar, John. 2/8. Cuman belum sederhana banget ya. Not a simplify from 4/16. What the simplest of 4/16? It is 1/4. Okay? This is the simplifies ya. Ini. Oke? Paham ya, John ya?
Ya.
Oke. Gitu ya. So, what have you learned today, John?
Equivalent fractions. Fractions.
Terus ini ya.
That's fractions.
Ya, yang total student, girl fraction-nya berapa, boys fraction-nya berapa, maka total boys-nya berapa, dan girls-nya berapa. Kamu udah paham ya caranya ya? Oke?
Yeah.
Oke ya. And then the equivalent fraction ya. From ini ya yang tadi, yang lingkaran tadi, yang ini 1/4 is equal to 2/8 ya, John ya. Gitu.
Ya.
Jadi kamu boleh pecah-pecah ini menjadi beberapa bagian, tapi tetap utuh sebenarnya ya. Gitu. Ini kan sama aja, 2/8 sama aja kayak 1/4 gitu. Oke?
Ya.
Gitu. And then ya ini kita udah lengkapin ya beberapa yang kosong yang kamu mau bikin ya ini ya. Gitu. Oke. Do you have a question before we
No.
closing? Oh ya. Oke, John. In next week we will learn compare and order fraction ya.
Okay.
Oke.
Bye bye.
Oke, bye bye John.
Bye bye.
Oke.